So hey guys, long time no see. I know. I'm gonna do better. So today we are on the way to DC. Yesterday we went to the Excel Honors 2019 annual gala, and it was so fun. So today is just a little rest day, or I guess you could say, and we're just having fun. So we're on the way to DC, and my little brother is like slumped. Now he know. Look at him, acting a fool. He don't do fool. Come on, Jay. Period. Smile for the camera one more time. So we're going to, I can't see, Fridays. My dad keeps getting mad at me because I'm calling it TGI Fridays. What's the difference? I'm confused. That's it. That's all. So we're done at Fridays, and now we're going to the car. So now we're gonna go walk down in the White House area. Woo! Why did you close the door?
I want to close it. I want to press the button.
No.
Mark Cuban, Rachel Ray, and many more.
Oh, this light hit! This light hit!
And enter
Go
code
to that
Radio
one.
5 to get 5% off at checkout. OzzyFest.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock.
There were no parks close to the White House, so we had to walk. My dad's using the GPS. It's a 12-minute walk. And I'm wearing these freaking Birkenstocks. My feet hurt very badly. I picked the wrong shoes to wear today. But we're like 9 minutes away, so we're killing time. So this is as close as you can get to the White House. It's like right there. Oh my God. The National Monument. And we took pictures, and it's like so crowded down here. Everybody keeps walking in front of the pictures like, manners? Where are they? We just walked a mile. Ooh, this lighting though. Okay. But so we walked a mile to get here. This is as far as I'm getting. I can't. All this grass. I can't. I can't. Oh, and look at him trying to take a picture. He's trying to act like he's holding things. That's not good. Is he even close to it?
No.
JJ. He's not even close.
I can't see your face.
Can I get on your back? What the? That car is working. Can I get on your back, please?
No.
Even though I'm taller than her, but
No, you're not getting on my back.
now we're walking to the Martin Luther King Monument.
Is it really dark?
And it's hot.
Let's do this.
Wow, that's crazy. This man did some great things. Well, not this. Well, this man too. But JJ, I'm talking about this man. Golden hour for real. This is not a library. They got Martin Luther King shirts. This light is hitting. So I bought 2 postcards for my grandparents. We're gonna sit in the shade. It was like a 20-minute walk. Ooh.
go out the sun.
It was like a 20-minute walk back to the car. So we let my dad do that walk, and we're just sitting here waiting for him to come pick us up. So yeah. Ooh, it's so far back. I keep falling every time I sit down. JJ. This lighting stay being good. Oh, bruh. Dang. But now we're in the car. Huh? Let's do my vlog. Now we're in the car. On the way. Where are we going? I don't know where we're going. Probably just gonna ride around a little bit more and explore. You know, can't come to the city and not see, not look. So yeah, we're just gonna ride around, probably get something to eat, and yeah. So we had went to Wawa and now we're back at the hotel. So I'm about to get ready for bed, and then tomorrow we drive back to South Carolina, that little small place, and go back to living a normal life until next week. Yeah, I'm gonna do a vlog next weekend in Atlanta, and y'all gonna be like, "Ooh, period poo." So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. I said subscribe. I don't know what I'm talking about. Just share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and all that. Thank you for watching. Bye. So this is the actual outro. Bye, guys.